Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make green salsa for tacos. First, select ripe tomatillos, a couple of jalapenos, a small onion, and a few cloves of garlic. Roasting these vegetables is key to developing a rich, complex flavor that truly elevates your salsa. This simple step makes all the difference, transforming basic ingredients into something extraordinary for your next taco night. Once your vegetables are prepped, arrange them on a baking sheet. Roast them at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 to 20 minutes until they are softened and slightly charred. This roasting process brings out their natural sweetness and adds a wonderful depth. After roasting, carefully transfer everything into your blender, ready for the next step. Now it's time to perfect your salsa. Add a good squeeze of fresh lime juice to brighten all those roasted flavors. Then, season with salt to taste. Start with a half teaspoon and adjust as needed. Blend until you achieve your desired consistency, whether you like it slightly chunky or perfectly smooth. This fresh salsa is fantastic on any taco. Your delicious homemade green salsa is now ready to enjoy. It pairs perfectly with any taco, from carne asada to vegetarian options. For best results, serve it fresh, but any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to some amazing deals, including those fantastic darn tough socks. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.